What if the future of your job, your business, even your daily life was being controlled by just 3 tools? In 2025, repetitive work will be done by automation, and most people won't even realize it's happening. While others fall behind, a select few are learning to master these tools and becoming unstoppable. So what are these 3 silent powerhouses that are transforming careers, building brands, and running companies in the background? Picture this. Your inbox answers itself. Your content writes, edits, and posts automatically. Your schedule, meetings, and deadlines, all handled for you. If you're not using these tools in 2025, you're not just wasting time. You're leaving money on the table. Because in the next few minutes, you'll uncover a hidden automation trend that's not only reshaping work, it's building digital empires quietly while the rest of the world scrolls past. Tool number 1, Zapier AI 2.0. What was once just a tool to connect apps is now your digital operations manager. Zapier AI 2.0 doesn't just automate tasks, it makes decisions. It can pause ads, trigger contracts, or route emails based on what your users do. For creators and solopreneurs, that means saving hours every week without hiring a single person. Imagine this. A client signs a form. Zapier instantly sends a custom proposal, books onboarding, and updates your CRM, all while you sleep. But it's not just for business. People use Zapier to pay bills, manage calendars, and even trigger smart home routines. Here's the wild part. Some startups run entirely on Zapier workflows. 0 employees, full automation. And this is just the starting line. Because if Zapier can run your back office, what happens when your content can write, edit, and publish itself? Tool number 2, AI content machines. In 2025, your brand never sleeps, because AI does the creating for you. Tools like Sora, video, Jasper, blogs, and GPT-5 Agents, scripts and posts. You're no longer chasing the algorithm. You become the algorithm. One prompt now generates a YouTube script, thumbnail, email, tweet, and short video, all on brand and instantly shareable. Creators like YouTubers are publishing 5+ videos a week without opening a single editing app. These tools learn your voice, your audience, your style, and improve every time. But once creation is automatic, the question shifts. Tool number 3, autonomous decision agents. Autonomous decision agents now analyze performance. It's like hiring a strategist, project manager, and virtual assistant, all in one AI brain. Businesses using tools like AutoPilot AI report 35 to 50% increases in ROI. So what brings these tools together into one unstoppable system? These aren't just tools, they're the core of the new economy. Success in 2025 won't come from more effort, but from building smarter systems that run without you. Ignore these shifts, and you'll be competing with machines on their turf. Use them, and you'll lead the next wave. Master the tools, or be left behind by them. The future belongs to those who adapt, not react. With Zapier, Jasper, Sora, and AutoPilot Ops, you don't just work smart, you scale smart. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns on using these tools to grow your brand, career, or business. Which tool would save you the most time in 2025? Comment below. Let's talk automation.